Are you planning for a trip to Salzburg, Austria, and you are also looking for an option that can save your budget during your trip? Don't worry, I will help you. I have an option. The option is Salzburg card. Yes, the Salzburg card come with a duration of 24 hours, 48 hours, and 72 hours. If you are going there for one day, then I will recommend you to buy 24 hours. If you are there for 2 days, you can buy 2 days, 48 hours. If you are there for 3 days, then you can buy 72 hours ticket. This is the card that will help you to get a free entry to everywhere, but the card price is like 26 euro for 24 hours and 48 hours 48 euro for 48 hours, and around 129 euro for 72 hours. Using this card you can get one-time free entry to all attractions and museums that are in Salzburg city, and also you can get free transportation using this card. If you purchase it for 48 hours, then you can get 48 hours free transportation system all around the Salzburg city. And you can also use this card to get discounts on cultural events, concert, and other places. Using this card you can save more than 100 euros during your trip. You might be thinking how we can save 100 euros. So you can see the prices are mentioned here all over the historical the tourist attraction places. Here you can see 9.5 euro, 26 euro in cable car to Utenberg, and here you can see 2 euro, 13 euro, and 13 euro here, 5 euro here, 3 euro here, 7 euro here. But if you are having Salzburg card, then for all the places you will spend only 26 euro. That is price for this one. So you can think how much money you can save in one trip. Just spend 26 euro for one day, or the 48 euro for 2 days, or 129 euro for 72 hours. Then you will save lots of money. Like I went for one day, then I spent only 26 euro for 24 hour Salzburg card. Then I visited all the places only in 26 euro. But you can see here the price, all places have different prices, but if you have a card, then you don't need to spend separately for different places. With this card you can get free of cost entry to everywhere. So the question is, from where we can get this card? So this card is also available online. You can buy it online, but I will recommend you to buy uh, from the information centers, or you can also buy it from the hotel or the dormitory in which you are staying. Just ask to the reception desk for Salzburg card and they will provide you. So after getting this card, you are free to go anywhere, any places all around the Salzburg. So the first place I will recommend you to go at Utersberg. This place is located in the south of Salzburg, like 10 kilometers from the Salzburg, and the price for this place is 26 euro. That is the price of the Salzburg card. So to reach there, you have to take a 25 number bus, or you can also look for the another buses, but the last station will be this one, Utenberg. So just take a 25 number bus and get down here. When you will get down here, then you will see there are these buses like bus number 25 or bus 5, 840, 25, and different places. Just go in Google and search the combination, but I went there by bus number 25. So the view from that place is will be like this, and there are many mountains that are covered with snow. So this is the place where we will go, and you can get a cable car from here to go high top in the mountain. And this is the last bus stop. You will get down here, then you just go here, just show your Salzburg card, get entry, and go top in the mountain. I have also uploaded video from the top of this mountain and the views I have seen over there. Then after visiting this place will take around 2 hours because this is very beautiful place, and the down hills are also looks very pretty from the upside. So after visiting this place, you just came back to another place. That place I will recommend you to the museum, the fort. But for this one you need to get down at the station, this one. So when you finished visiting at Utenberg, then just catch bus number 25 and get down here. When you will get down at this place, then you will see this stop. The bus will leave you here. Then you just walk from here, cross this road. This is the address I am telling to go to fort, and in fort you will get free entry from there. Just cross the road, come this side, or you can also cross from here, come here, and you just go this side, here, this side, sorry, this side. You came from this way, now you are going this side. So you came by this way, now you will go here. Just go up, upside, turn right, then you will reach to the entrance of fort. Here you can see fort is here. this is the back side of the fort, but if you will continuous go, then you just turn this side, and here now this side. After coming from this way, you need to go this side, and when you will go this side, then don't go upside, just go downside, and downside there is a building, entrance building for a cable car. Then you just get a cable car and go top, in top of the fort. And after visiting that fort, you can also enjoy the city center and the riverside view and other museums that are downside of the fort. That's all. Thank you so much. I hope my video will help you, and if you got this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice trip to Salzburg. Thank you.